Hello, curious kids! Today we are going to explore 20 amazing musical instruments. Let's go! Piano. This is a piano. It has black and white keys you press with your fingers. The piano can play soft music or very loud sounds. Many songs around the world are made on the piano. Guitar. This is a guitar. It has strings you pluck or strum to make music. Guitars can be acoustic or electric. People play them in bands, concerts, and even at home. Violin. This is a violin. It is a small instrument played with a bow. The violin makes sweet, high-pitched sounds. It is used in orchestras and classical music. Drum. This is a drum. You hit it with sticks or your hands to make beats. Drums are very loud and keep the rhythm in songs. They are used in bands and parades. Flute. This is a flute. It is a long, thin instrument you blow air into. The flute makes soft and smooth music. Birds in nature are often imitated with its sound. Trumpet. This is a trumpet. It is a shiny brass instrument. You blow air into it and press the valves to change notes. Trumpets are used in jazz, bands, and even marching music. Saxophone. This is a saxophone. It is made of shiny metal and has many buttons. You blow into it to make jazzy, smooth sounds. It is popular in jazz and blues music. Tambourine. This is a tambourine. It has a round frame with little jingling metals. You shake or tap it to make fun sounds. It is great for dancing and singing along. Harmonica. This is a harmonica. It is small and fits in your pocket. You blow and suck air through it to make music. It is used in folk, blues, and country songs. Xylophone. This is a xylophone. It has colorful bars that you hit with mallets. Each bar makes a different sound. Kids love playing songs on it. Accordion. This is an accordion. It has buttons and bellows that you pull and push. It makes lively and happy music. People often play it at dances and festivals. Cello. This is a cello. It looks like a big violin but has a deeper sound. You play it with a bow while sitting down. Cellos make warm, rich music in orchestras. Keyboard. This is a keyboard. It looks like a piano but is electronic. It can make many different sounds and rhythms. People use it in modern music and songs. Triangle. This is a triangle. It is a small metal instrument in the shape of a triangle. You hit it with a stick to make a ting sound. It is simple but fun to play. Cymbals. These are cymbals. They are big round metal discs. You crash them together to make a loud sound. They are used in marching bands and orchestras. Harp. This is a harp. It has many strings that you pluck with your fingers. The harp makes gentle and magical music. It is one of the oldest instruments in the world. Clarinet. This is a clarinet. It is a long, black woodwind instrument. You blow air into it and press keys to play. It makes smooth and deep sounds. Bongos. These are bongos. They are two small drums joined together. You play them with your hands to make fast rhythms. They are popular in Latin and African music. Recorder. This is a recorder. It is a small flute-like instrument. Kids blow air into it and cover the holes with their fingers. Many children first learn music with a recorder. Bagpipes. These are bagpipes. They are played by blowing air into a bag and pressing it. They make loud, strong sounds. Bagpipes are famous in Scotland. Great job, kids! Today we learned about 20 amazing musical instruments. Each instrument makes its own special sound. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Kids for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye!